Alright, so today I'll be putting this drive that I took out of a laptop, out of an HP Pavilion, old laptop, and I'll be using this external drive, which I got from eBay. Sometimes these come out. I've used a lot of drives like this before, and they all seem to work. I haven't got a bad one yet, so hopefully, fingers crossed, this one's good as well. Go easy. Oh, geez. I don't need that for this. So, go easy. Connection slides in there. See? Matches up. Make sure everything fits okay. Slide it in. And like a glove. Perfect. If you're going to be moving it around, I'd probably buy a more expensive one. So that way, sometimes they come with better build, a little bit shock absorption. They'll give you little pads, which I'm not sure how much that does. But I've probably done this with about 6. I get a different case every time because I like to see how they are and try them out. This does feel pretty solid, but I also know if I take this somewhere, anything, probably yelling at the computer right now, watching this, or their phone, or whatever they're watching it on. Take it out of frame because I gotta get some better leverage on it. There we go. Okay, so we also know that if it does take a hit on this side, this is all right here. So if you're going to get one that you're going to want to travel with, this might not be the best kind. Keep these at home and then go from there. They usually come with a cable which fits into this adapter. These are what I've noticed has the cheaper drives have. The more expensive ones have a two-way adapter like this for the 3.0 or prior USB, and you can also see this isn't exactly fitting like a glove on the top here for the lid. Either way, but leave a comment. Let me know if you've ever used any of these, if there's a specific brand that you do prefer. Alright, thanks for watching.